My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. These online classes are somewhat different from the live classes, but I feel if you try a little bit, you can learn well through this method too. So, let's start our next lesson. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English Grammar 6, and we are going to study lesson 3 named nouns. Nouns are countable and also uncountable. Let's revise what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. You know, some nouns can be counted like onions, books, students in a class, cities. But some nouns are impossible to count, like rain, sand, paint, and many more. You know, we can change an uncountable noun into a countable one. How? We can do it in this way. Let me explain you. There is an example. Many people eat chicken daily. People all over the world eat chicken daily. Can we count that chicken? No. But if I go into a garden and I see a chicken there and I say, I saw a chicken in the garden, then that one chicken is possible to count. So, chicken is uncountable, but a chicken is countable. We can say that we can make an uncountable noun specific by adding an article before it. Let's share some more examples. Hair on someone's head are impossible to count. There are too many in number. But if we separate a portion or a part of those hair and say a lock of hair, then hair becomes a countable noun. Similarly, business is an uncountable noun. But if we name this business and add an article before it and say a poultry business, a garments business, a real estate business, then this becomes a countable noun. Water. Being a liquid, water is uncountable. But if we shape it and pour it into a jug and say a jug of water, then it becomes countable. Advice. My grandmom gave me 2 advices, 3 advices. Is it right? No, it sounds wrong and it is wrong. But if I say, my grandmom gave me a piece of advice, then it is right and it becomes a countable noun from an uncountable one. There are some more uncountable nouns which are needed to explain. Furniture. Suppose I visited a mart and I saw amazing furniture there. How can I tell you that I counted that furniture? Definitely, I have to count the items of furniture one by one, like 3 chairs, 4 tables, 2 beds, 3 sofas. Then these items become countable and make furniture countable, but otherwise furniture is an uncountable noun. Time. We can't count time, but I say, I had a nice time yesterday. It means I had a specific period of time yesterday which was very pleasant for me. In this way, we make time a specific noun and make it countable from an uncountable form. Money. You know, we can count currency notes, we can count coins, dollars, but money, this word money is uncountable. But sometimes we add determiners before these nouns and make them countable, like some money, which is making its quantity countable. Noise, शोर को count कर सकते हैं. But if I say there was a disturbing noise in the street, then our disturbing noise becomes countable. Similarly, information is uncountable, but a piece of information is countable. Now let's discuss our homework. I hope your books are in front of you and you can see the pages of 14, 15 and 16 in front of you. At page number 14, you are asked to determine which nouns are countable and which are uncountable. Label them by writing CN for countable and UN for uncountable. And at page number 15, there is a story of a flying saucer and you are given the options. You are just to set these options in the blanks. At page number 16, there is an interesting exercise, a C exercise. Copy the following definitions in your notebook. Complete them by adding a suitable set of nouns. You are given a set of nouns, 3, 2 nouns or 4 nouns also in some blanks, and you are asked to fill and set them in proper places. I do one for you. Look at the first option. A crouton is a small square dash usually fried or toasted and served with dash. A crouton is a small square piece of bread usually fried or toasted and served with soup. In this way, do the rest of exercise, and next 2 exercises are also very easy. You can do them by your own. Thank you so very much, and try to understand the difference between countable and uncountable nouns, and very good luck for you.